Good evening. This video we are going to discuss about CNC milling programs. First, already we people are know that the CNC milling is used to make the keyway cuttings as well as slots and gear cutting operations. To performing that, it will be used, and also here the tool has to be rotated and workpiece has to be rigidly fixed over here. So while tool rotating and it goes towards to the workpiece, it removes the materials. So here it will be shows the milling operation over here. So this is the tool it will be goes and performs the operation. So this type of surfaces you can get in the workpieces. Okay, then comes into here. So there are two types of milling machines are available, that is the horizontal milling machine, another one is the vertical milling machine. In the horizontal milling machine, the spindle as well as the arbor is in the horizontal manner. Here the tool cutter is to be fixed and it performs the operations. Okay, in the vertical milling machine, the the spindle will be in the vertical position. Okay, so now here the tool has to be fixed and it performs the operations over here. So usually in the horizontal milling machine, it will be used to perform the heavier jobs. In the vertical milling machine, it will be used for perform the smaller and medium jobs over here. And also usually both we can produce some different types of keyways over here. Also already we people know about the components of milling machines like knee, saddle. So with the help of the saddle, the work table has to be moved over here, and on the work table, that this one has to be work holding devices has to be fixed over, rigidly fixed over here. So and also it having the column, vertical column, and inside the column they are going to fix the motor and other gear cutting mechanisms, sorry, gears, it has to be fixed over here, and spindle is fixed over with the column, and this will be supports the other end. Head will be supports the other end to the arbor. In the arbor we are going to fix the tool over here. The same like here also the vertical milling machine. Then comes into here the G code for milling. The small variation it will be takes place for G code milling operations. So certain thing it will be varies. So first G00 rapid traverse, G01 linear interpolation, G02 circular interpolation clockwise, G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise, G04 dual. Dual means the tool has to be stopped for particular position at certain few seconds. Okay, G20 is the inch data input, G21 same like as lathe operation, G21 is the metric data input, G28 is the reference point return, and G40 is the TNRC cancel, TNRC left, G41, G42 is the TNRC right. So next slide we are going to discuss about what is the TNRC cancel left right. Like, and one more thing, in the lathe machine, we are going to discuss about only two axes, X and Z axis. But here, all the three axes we can use. Here, as usual, X will be in the horizontal, Y will be in the vertical axis, as well as Z is the depth of depth we are going to provide over here. Okay, see, this is the X axis, the tool movement, X and Y direction it will be take. Suppose it will be remove the material, it has to go for in the towards Z direction. Okay, so that is the thing. So first initially we bring the tool over here. So above the workpiece we are going to stop. After knowing the profile, it has to be moved down and the profile has to be created over like this. Like this way we are going to make the milling operations over here. And comes to the next the commands, like a G80 is a canned cycle, cancel, and G83 is a drilling cycle, G84 tapping cycle, G85 reaming cycle, G86 boring cycle, G83 peg drilling cycle, G90 absolute, G91 incremental, and G94 feet per minute, G95 feet per revolution, G98 return to the initial position canned point, G99 is a return of power point to the canned cycle. Okay, then comes into the G00 rapid traverse, the tool it has to be moved faster rate. So here it will not remove the material over here. Okay, so it will be used to reduce the idle time of the machine. So this is the work part. So the tool has to be here. From here to here it can be moved. We can use as a G00 command. Already we people know. Then what is the syntax over here? So previously in the lathe operation G00XZ, but here all the three axes we are using. So G00 X, Y and Z. Okay, so here the so CNC milling is the easier program because of in the CNC milling only we can use the G00, G01, G02, G03 commands, so that it will be easier compared to like a lathe operation. If you see over here G02 circular interpolation, it is going to a clockwise direction, and from here to it will move anti-clockwise direction. So we can use G02 and G03 for that. For G02, G03 is the syntax is the X, Y, Z, or it will be additionally adding over here and feed rate. G01, X, Y, Z and F. Okay. Then comes into the tool nodes radius compensation, means G41 means this is the axis. From the axis outside it has to be passing moons, we can use as a G41. Okay, and yeah, inside it has to be moved means G42. Here mistaken little wrong. So it will be moved outside means that is the G41. Inside means G42. So this like a cutter along with the axis. Take it as a center point and it will be moved like this means that is G40. Tool nodes radius compensation cancel. So along the line it is goes inside means that is the G41, sorry G42. Outside means that is the G41. Okay, then comes to see about the program over here. So here this is the outer one, the raw material. Here we are going to make this type of profile over here. So here the Z is the 10, this component will be 10 mm depth. So in this one only 5 mm only we can remove the material. Okay, so that is the point we have to remember over here. So this is the 0 comma 0 comma 0. So from here to all other point, the coordinate points we are going to mention over here. First point we are going to start from here. So this is the first point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So first point, what is the coordinate point? X20, Z10, Y10, sorry, X20, Y10, and this one will be X65, Y10. This will be X 65 plus 10, 75 as well as 20. Okay, the height is a 20. So this will be X 675 and Y will be so 20, 10, 20, 20 plus 45, 65. So like this all the values coordinate point we have to write over here, and after that it will be comes over here, it is going to be stop over here. So this is up to 8th point, the coordinate points we are going to make it over here. Then comes to here, first we are going to write the program. First we bring back the tool from here. So the same principle, O100 followed by 4-digit number. So here 1012, billet size in bracket X100, Y100, Z10, and comes into the next one. So here itself we are going to specify the block number N10, and G21 is the metric data input, G90 is the absolute dimensioning system, G94 is the feed per minute. Okay, then N20, G28 X reference position return. That means here all the three axes we are using, so that X0, Y0, Z0, and N30, M06, T01. So the two selection. So for here the syntax is only 01, but it is the same thing if you are seeing the lathe operation 0101 it comes, but here only T01 only. So like that a small variation takes place in the lathe and milling operation. Then next one M03, spindle rotation 1500 rpm. Then TNRC cancel, because along with the axis line, and the tool has to be moved along with the center. So like this way it is moves, so that we are taking as a TNRC cancel. The first point, G00, X20, Y10, 10. Before that, how we are going to write the program is, first we are bringing the tool over here, top of the workpiece we are going to stop. Then we can move over here. Okay, so exactly in the X20, Y10, Z1 we are going to stop. That means above the tool we are going to stop the, above the workpiece we are going to stop the tool over here. Then after stopping that, it has to be give minus 5 mm. So that means X20, Z Y10 and Z minus 5 mm, so that it will be goes inside in the particular place itself. Then it has to be moved towards this one, so that X65, the Y remains same, so you can give the value also, it's not a problem. Y10 and Z remains same, minus 5 only. Then this one like this, it has to be move over here. Okay, so for that I'm going to write the program. First G00, X20, Y20, Y10. That means we are going to stop, bring the workpiece, sorry, tool over here. We are going to stop over here. So after stopping the workpiece, then what is the next thing? We are going to use the G01 linear interpolation command, and exactly in the same point. So once we are going to stop over here, then we are going to give G01 command. It goes inside. Z minus 5 only we are giving, so that it will be goes inside. So machining has to be takes place, and feed rate we are giving as a F30. Then come to the next one, G01 again, X65, Y10, F30. So Z remains same, so that the Z value we are not giving. Only the X and Y value only changes, so that that one only can give. Even Y value it's not changing, also we are given. Even Z also you can mention it, it's not a issue. Then next one, come to here, the tool movement, it will be moves like this. So it is a clockwise direction, so we can use next command as a G02, X75, Y20. So which is the X75? So from here to here, this is the X value is a 75, and Y is from here to here 20. So X75 means from here to here is the 75. And or radius also they given in the question itself. So radius as 10, so that radius is going to mention over here, radius 10, and feed rate F25. The next one again, it will be the straight, so that we can use here as a G01 linear interpolation, X75, F30, as well as the next one. So from here to it will be moving like this, so it is anti-clockwise direction, so we can use like a G03 command. So G03, X75, X65, Y75, R10. And next one again, from we have to move from here to here, so that is we can use G01 command, X20, Y75, F30. And after that we are moving from here to here, so it is the clockwise direction, so that we can use G02 command. Okay, so it will becomes. And finally again, this also we can use the from here to here. So from here to G01 command, and finally from 8.2 again we can move on to the first point. So this also clockwise direction, so we can use G02 command, and it going to stop on X20, Y10 and Z minus 5. So once this has to be completed, then next step we can use G01, Z minus 5, 1, Z minus 1 or 2. Using of G01 command you can use it, Z2, then G40, then the end of the program, G28, X0, Y0, Z0, M05 and M30. So G28 is the reference point written, M05 is the program spindle stop, and M30 is the program stop and rewind. So this is about the milling program. So with the use of G01, G02 command, G03 command, the program, entire program has to be taken place. So here only we are the total depth of the component is 10 mm, but only we are giving here as a 5 mm only. 5 mm only we are removing. So full thing it will be removed means this is separated, this will be separated. But our aim is to create here as a groove over here. Like this profile, we are going to create a groove over in the component. So that's what we are going to give minus 5 mm. Okay. So with that we are going to stop the milling program. Thank you.